Why I cannot do? I have to do also. If they can achieve easily, if we are talking about the mentality, my mentality was there that I have to be that waterfall process and everything that has to be maintained by day. And intention should be there. That if your good intention is there, so I think God always there. That is, I believe in superpower of the God. I have to do my best to 100%, 100%, whatever. That so I am just calling every one of each one that I have to do it. I have to do it. That my decision was there, and I have to decide. I could not come, and I saw the people they are achieving L1, and I was decided that. Good morning, everyone. So my first if you are talking about the mentality, my mentality was there that I have to be there in that successful people zone, and they are getting trained because corporate, obviously there is a corporate, nobody has guided us, nobody given us, but the in KNet journey, if I'll talk about the ALC was the eye opener for me, and it's a thank you Arti man, thank you AM core team, VC Sanjeev, all core team, and thank you all the participants. Obviously, all together we did, and that I wanted to be in that zone. That was I decided that I have to be in that zone. So that was my mentality. Thank you. Yeah, after ALC, my mentality was the daily plan, one plan a day, and in all this process flow, that waterfall process and everything that has to be maintained by day. Otherwise, wasting of time. That if you are going weekly, one plan, two plan, three plan, that rule three is the mantra that I decided, and more than rule three, and it's give me that action that I have to be there, and that is my I changed my daily action plan, and I didn't give up that okay if something is not coming I just met people, and I try to connect people, so at least for rule 3, but more than rule 3 I will trying to do. That's my that's I decided after that, that is the things. Thank you. Yeah, this big after ALC it was really tough for me. Tough means I came to India, that ALC, then again for VCON to get out leave from office, really it was a challenge. But sometimes if I think that when I think that okay I have to do, there is no option, I have to do, say ultimate I think God also give, and that God also help you that okay this guy he wants to do, and so God always helps whenever your intent and choice and decision making, that if you're stubborn, sometimes you are stubborn something, so that has to be done. And actually man intention should be there, that if your good intention is there, so I think God always there. That is I believe in superpower of the God. Anything can be happen, but along with that I have to do my best, 200%, 100%, whatever, that I have to do my 100%. That is what I have learned in this journey. And especially after VCON I saw the success, all the success people, they have gone through also all lots of challenge also, but they have got success. The one thing, consistency and discipline and decided and choice, who had made those things and consistently plan, and one day it is okay that success and that failure or will be, everything will be there, but one day ultimately you will get the success. That's I have learned from VCON. And after VCON I decided I have to do, and I don't want to waste my time, and that is the sense of urgency and carry, and I have to do that I don't have any other option. Thank you. After you see that L1 achievement, and I could not come, and I saw the people they are achieving L1, and I was decided that why I cannot do. I have to do also. If they can do, I can do also. What is that I don't have, they have. So I decided then plans. I was focused on the plan, more plan. Trying to, it was really tough for me. Challenges was there. Tough means it is not a easy journey with current job situation and work pressure. but I decided that I have to be in that zone, because when L1 allowance and 2026, I want to see the big picture. That is my main target, and I want to be that zone of RTMM and all M4 upline, and that is that successful zone upline. That was my intention, and then I decided that I have to do. So many option was there. Family also time, that okay, they are not giving time. It's okay that I they understood also that, then obviously I decided to do. So obviously L1, I was targeting 50. From 50, actually I'm targeting 50, but it could not happen. 51 I tried, then 52. Okay, obviously there was some guys, they wanted to sign up some 7 BBs. Then anyhow that could not happen, arranged money. And so that guy has started, then again another, I'm trying to find that I have to do it. I have to do it. This is the last week. I have to do this. That is called sense of urgency. And obviously uplines, they have pushed me and they have really helped me, all my working upline and grand upline, Gunjanji, Kushanji and BC Sanji, they have pushed me a lot. Uplines, really that angel I can say in my life. So it is God blessing they have sent, and I am in this organization. I think his blessings, I have some good karma, so maybe I have got this family. So L1 drive, that is really good, and I want to do L1, consistent L1. That is my target, and it is another experience when we are doing L1. So I have not done that much in small things only. There is lots of things to, lot of journey, big way to go there. But it's the small steps started, but with the help of uplines and the help of all uplines, grand uplines, I want to be that zone, and I want to get success. I want that, that taste of the millionaires, that I want to taste that. That is my target. So thank you. And obviously the overcome, if you talk about overcome, how did it? Even if I'll just tell something, in the last week 52 last moment, whole day I was expecting one sign up should be come from my own. He was agreed everything. Then second, I called even that guy to my office also, another guy. I called my office and he was ready. His wife was against him. Then that is gone. Then I was, how come I have to do this? It's not that I cannot leave this almost done. I have to do this. So then I called my one of my cousin. I didn't explain even this is just she knows that I am doing something business, and she knows, but she never checked with me what I am doing there. But that is my things that I have to do. I have choice, I have decision, that it makes me in this to achieve this L1. And thank you everyone. Thank you for support and guidance. Thank you Sanji, thank you Gunjanji, thank you Kusumji. Challenges, if you are talking about challenges, so challenges, you see, any good things, any success things, I don't think that without challenge it will come. Once challenge overcome, that really enjoy, that is the success actually come. So it's not only this business, even corporate also I have seen so many challenges in my life, because some people they say, how come is young age you got this? So that is corporate also, there is challenges are there. So challenges, I like challenges actually also. So when challenges is there is another fun actually. So pushing for F3, if you are talking, it was F3. I was before, I was thinking that okay, only F2 can give me that L1. Then I was sometimes something, I was in this back of the mind, it was happening that okay, it is done. So then that is what I told you earlier, that in the end moment of the just I think 1 hour was remain only. So I was just calling every one of each one that I have to do it. That my decision was there, and I have to decide. I decided that I have to do. Then that's, I told you, my cousins come and obviously overcome. It's when you decide, when I decided, or someone decided that I have to do. So that is the if your decision and you are doing myself the truth things that I am promising myself. That is, if I am not keeping myself promise, then how can I promise to others and I will keep that? So that is my always, and my parents taught that you have to keep promising yourself first, then promise others. So if I'm promising that everyone will do, so that is the my वो इज्जत का सवाल हो जाता है, बोलता है खुद का प्रॉमिस नहीं कर सकते हो तो इज्जत तो obviously that is different things, but if I promising myself, so that I have to do, that is what my overcome came, and that is how I did L1, I can say. And my main decision was there, that again the successful zone 2026 I want to see big picture. Thank you. Single, the single message, one message if you will say, who is almost L1, they can achieve easily if they decided. There will be so many choices, which choice we are taking, that is has to be done. Choice, decided, consistency, and whatever वो बोलते हैं ना, that you have to be life and death situation. If you are decided, then you have to do. So somebody is in hospital, something has to be done. So that anyhow that has to be done. No, so that is my message is, if take L1 decided, choice is yours, then you have to be complete the L1. That is my one message. Decide right energy. You have to put right energy. Without right energy, it will be difficult. So you have to put right energy, right choice. If you are showing it in plan with energy, then obviously it will sign up. Sign up will be there. It's not about what called that sign up will happen or not, but that three things: choice, decision, and right energy. If you are complete, the ultimate L1 will happen. That is, and this week will happen. Even single day can happen also. Thank you.